Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 10C, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this Xiaomi device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down right away. Now tap on additional settings, select languages and input, manage keyboards and Gboard. Over here you need to tap on theme and choose show mode to see all available ones. When you're ready, you need to tap on the best one for you, like that one. Manage key borders by tapping on this switcher and select apply. As you can see, when I go back, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always customize it by going into the same settings, but this time tapping on this plus icon under my themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, you need to select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right on this slider. When you're ready, tap on Done, manage key borders from here and choose Apply. When I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!